Remember how things were before the battles. Just you and me. I thought of you every day. Why couldn't you be born a Serb?
Am I a prisoner?
You're not a prisoner if you want to be here.
Are we so terrible we should be exterminated?
Out with your hands in the air! What's evil? Kill these women!
It's very complicated. One of your Muslim friends was in my scope. And I thought about you. And then I wondered, would she kill me if she had the chance?
She will betray you. She's not to be trusted.
Should I trust you? Did I make a mistake?
No.
I think I did. People are not often what they seem to be.
Then I have nothing to fear.